Hey everyone, we have a really special treat for you today, the Dream Machines GM7IX9N gaming laptop. This gadget is made to be as enjoyable as possible when playing games, and to easily handle labor-intensive tasks like graphics processing and video editing. Outfitted with state-of-the-art hardware components, it provides outstanding performance. Not only that, but it also has a cutting-edge liquid cooling system. You did really hear correctly. While a liquid cooling system is not physically possible to fit within the laptop chassis, Dream Machines has created an external unit that is compatible with this model. Everything's going to be exciting, so settle in while we go over every aspect and test everything properly. The Dream Machines has a sleek black, contemporary, and refined look. The laptop's body is made of plastic and aluminum, which guarantees strength, durability, and a stylish appearance. The compromise is struck between moderation and the aggressive aesthetics that are characteristic of gaming devices in appearance. It is fairly large and hefty, weighing about 3 kilograms, but that is to be anticipated considering the robust hardware and excellent cooling system. Even during prolonged gaming sessions, overheating is prevented by the efficient heat dissipation provided by the ventilation holes on the side and rear panels. The external liquid cooling system of the GM7IX9N is its most notable feature. This cooling unit sits next to the laptop and greatly improves its cooling capacity. It is made to integrate with the laptop effortlessly. Let's see its parts. Front panel. Featuring sculpted embellishments and a blue glow indicator button when the item is in use. Back panel. Flat with 2 openings for the hoses with valves and connectors for the transit cable and power supply. Top panel. Contains a pour-through hole covered with a lid for distilled water. Replace every 3 months. Windows to check the level of liquid on the side panels. Connection. Strong magnets guarantee a tight, leak-proof fit between the hoses and the laptop, allowing for a rapid and precise connection. The full keyboard of the GM7IX9N includes a numeric keypad and a multicolor lighting for comfortable use even in low light. Lighting components are also included in the laptop body. The big, responsive touchpad makes controlling the cursor easy. The laptop's dynamically positioned top-notch stereo speakers on both sides produce immersive audio that improves your multimedia and gaming experiences. With a WQXGA resolution of 2560 by 1600 pixels, the Dream Machines GM7IX9N boasts an amazing 17-inch display that offers remarkable clarity and detail. A major benefit for gamers is that the display can handle a refresh rate of 240 Hz, which guarantees fluid animation in gaming scenarios. Wide viewing angles provided by the WVA screen type make it convenient to use in any environment. With 100% coverage of the sRGB color gamut, the display ensures rich visuals and accurate color, which is particularly helpful for graphic artists and videographers. The Intel Core i9 to 14498X, one of the most potent processors available, powers the GM7IX9N. With an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 GPU that has 16 gigs of VRAM and a maximum TGP of 175 watts, this laptop can easily handle demanding graphical programs like games and work-related apps. The laptop has 16 gigs of DDR5 RAM installed. Future upgrades are possible because the RAM is expandable up to 64 gigs. It has a 1TB M2 SSD for storage, ensuring fast operating system and application loading. There are 2 M2 slots as well, one of which may be used to install an extra storage device, enabling you to increase the RAM if necessary. With 2.5 gigs LAN capability, the laptop offers a dependable and quick network connection. Additionally, a Wi-Fi 6 module is installed, guaranteeing fast wireless connectivity in compliance with contemporary security guidelines. This laptop's performance and cooling really stand out in multiple tests. PC mark, no liquid cooling. 8938 points, CPU and GPU temperatures exceeding 64 degrees centigrade and 55 degrees centigrade, respectively. 9275 points on the PC mark, with liquid cooling, with the GPU at 49 degrees centigrade, and the CPU at 57 degrees centigrade. 40,040 points on the 3D mark, without liquid cooling, with the CPU and GPU at 73 degrees centigrade and 62 degrees centigrade, respectively. 3D mark, with liquid cooling. 52,271 points, demonstrating a noticeable boost in performance with the GPU and CPU operating at 51 degrees centigrade and 61 degrees centigrade, respectively. Metro Exodus, no liquid cooling. 121 FPS at maximum settings, with a CPU temperature of 77 degrees centigrade and a GPU temperature of 66 degrees centigrade. Metro Exodus, liquid cooling. 163 FPS at maximum settings, with 61 degrees centigrade for the CPU and 51 degrees centigrade for the GPU. A gaming laptop with great performance, the Dream Machines GM7IX9N boasts an outstanding cooling system and a powerful setup. Its cutting-edge liquid cooling system keeps it from overheating, while enabling it to perform at its peak, which makes it a great option for professionals and gamers who require a portable powerhouse. This model is sure to satisfy you if you're looking for a laptop that has the power and cooling of a desktop computer. Please remember to subscribe to our channel, hit like this video, and leave your opinions about the item if you found this review helpful. Have a nice day, and God bless you.